Lecture on Matter in Our Surroundings for class 9th by ACE Part 1. Matter is something which can occupy space and has mass. Matter can be felt by physical touch or smell. According to early Indian philosophers, matter is composed of 5 basic elements: air, earth, fire, sky and water, called Panch Tattva. Matter is classified on the basis of physical state as solid, liquids and gases. On the basis of chemical composition as pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances are elements or compounds. Mixtures may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Physical nature of matter. Matter is made up of particles. The particles of matter are very tiny. The particles of matter have space in between. Spaces are known as intermolecular spaces. The particles of matter are continuously moving. The particles of matter attract each other. Matter is made up of particles. To show that when more and more salt or sugar is added to water, the level of water does not change. This is because the particles of salt or sugar get adjusted in the spaces among the particles of water. This shows the matter is made up of particles which have intermolecular spaces. Particles of matter are continuously moving. To show that if few drops of colored ink is added to water and then left undisturbed for some time, the ink spreads evenly throughout the water due to the movement of particles of water and ink. The intermixing of 2 or more different types of matter on their own is called diffusion. Diffusion in liquids and gases takes place from higher to lower concentration. Diffusion increases with the increase in temperature and pressure and decreases with the increase in density of diffusing liquids or gases. Graham's law of diffusion. The rate of diffusion of gases is inversely proportional to the square root of their densities or molecular masses. Particles of matter attract each other. It is more easy to break the chalk, less easier to break the rubber band, and difficult to break the iron nail. This is because the particles in iron nail are held together with greater force than in the rubber band or chalk. State of matter. Matter exists in 3 different states: solid, liquid and gases. 2 more states of matter are plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate, BEC. Properties of solids. Solids have definite shapes and fixed volume. The space between the particles is minimum. The force of attraction between the particles is maximum. The movement of the particle is minimum. They are not compressible. Kinetic energy of particles of solid is very little. Properties of liquids. Liquids have no definite shapes but have definite volume. The space between the particles is moderate. The force of attraction between the particles is moderate. The movement of particles is free. They are not compressible. Their rate of diffusion is moderate. Kinetic energy of particles of liquid is more than that of solids. Properties of gases. Gases have no definite shape and no definite volume. Gases occupy the whole space of the container. The space between the particles is maximum. The force of attraction between the particles is minimum. The movement of particles is free. They are most compressible. Their rate of diffusion is more than that of liquids. Kinetic energy of particles of gases is more than that of liquids. Change of state. When a solid is heated, it changes into liquid, and when liquid is heated, it changes into gas. When a gas is cooled, it changes into liquid, and when a liquid is cooled, it changes into solid. If ice is heated, it changes into water, and if water is heated, it changes into steam, and if steam is cooled, it changes into water, and if water is cooled, it changes into ice. Melting or fusion. When a solid is heated, the particle begin to vibrate with greater speed and start moving more freely. At some particular temperature, the solid starts melting and changes into liquid. The process is called melting. Melting is also known as fusion. The temperature at which solid starts melting is called its melting point. The melting point of ice is 0 degrees centigrade or 273 Kelvin. Latent heat of fusion. The amount of heat energy required to change 1 kilogram of a solid into liquid under 1 atmospheric pressure at its melting point is called the latent heat of fusion. Boiling. When a liquid is heated, its particles begin to move even faster. At a particular temperature, the liquid begin to boil and start to change into gas or vapors. Boiling is a bulk phenomenon. When a liquid boils, the bulk of the liquid changes into vapors. Boiling point. The temperature at which a liquid starts boiling is called its boiling point. The boiling point of pure water is 100 degrees centigrade or 373 Kelvin. That is 273 plus 100. So Kelvin temperature is equal to centigrade temperature plus 273. Latent heat of vaporization. The amount of heat energy required to change 1 kilogram of a liquid into gas under 1 atmospheric pressure at its boiling point is called the latent heat of vaporization. Sublimation. The change of state directly from solid to gas or from gas to solid is called sublimation. If solid camphor or ammonium chloride is heated, it changes into vapors. If the vapors are cooled, it changes into solid. Effect of pressure on gases. When pressure is applied on a gas, then its particles come closer and the gas changes into liquid. We can liquidify gases by applying pressure and reducing the temperature. Compressed solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice. If the pressure is reduced, it changes directly into gas without coming to liquid state. Interconversion of 3 states of matter. The states of matter are interconvertible. The state of matter can be changed by changing the temperature or pressure or both. Evaporation. The change of a liquid into vapors at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. Evaporation is a surface phenomenon. Particles from the surface of a liquid gain enough kinetic energy to overcome the force of attraction and changes into vapors. Factors affecting evaporation. The rate of evaporation depends on the surface of the liquid, temperature, humidity, and wind speed. The rate of evaporation increases with the increase in the surface area of the liquid, the increase in the temperature of the surrounding, the decrease in the humidity of surrounding, increase in the wind speed. The rate of evaporation depends on the nature of liquid also. Liquids with lower boiling point have higher rate of evaporation. Evaporation causes cooling. When a liquid evaporates, the particle of liquid absorb heat from the surroundings and evaporates. So, the surrounding becomes cold. People sprinkle water on the roof or open ground because during evaporation, water absorbs heat from the surface, makes it cool. During summer, we sweat more because during evaporation, the sweat absorbs heat from our body, making us feel cool. Wearing cotton clothes in summer keeps us cool because the cotton absorbs sweat, and when the sweat evaporates, it absorbs heat from our body, making the body cool. There is a diagram which shows the change of state from solid to liquid and liquid to gas. So when the solid changes into liquid, it is fusion, and when liquid changes to solid, it is solidification. In case of liquid and gas, when the liquid changes into gas, it is known as vaporization, and when gas changes into liquid, it is known as condensation. In case of gas and solid, when the solid changes into gas or gas changes into solid, the process is called as sublimation. Feel free to ask questions through comments. We shall reply to all your queries.